So then, Ross, morning.
Morning, James.
Why did I get up so early?
So we're here at the start of the River Dart Regatta rowing course, and it's 7 AM in the morning, and we've got all 5 Ribeye teams that are taking part in the regatta. This is everyone's first training session, and we're doing the first year of the Ribeye Rowing Cup, which is a bit of fun in-house. So we've got all the teams from the various departments here, and we're about to start. So in a moment, I'm going to kick off the race.
Got Danny Chivers there, coming round to the start line. Peter's taking charge. Got Will coming back.
Red boat, come up a bit.
Who's going to win this race, Ross?
My money's on blue.
I'm going to go for red. We've got Danny Chivers again there. This is cool, man.
Red boat, come up. Yellow boat, come up. Orange boat, come up. Right, teams. Welcome to the Petra Ribeye Cup. On the sound of the horn, the race will start. Are you ready?
I love how Danny moves, leans in.
Go on!
Well, Red's looking quick. Mitch has lost an oar over there.
Lost an oar.
And Mitch has got his oar back on now.
They're coming strong again.
Sophie's team's looking good.
Blue boat's looking strong, as is yellow's got the inside water.
Danny's team yellow's looking good, mate.
Yeah, they might have them up the inside. But... Go guys, timing!
Come on, boys! Come on, Red Boat, I have my money on you. Yeah, this is looking good, mate. This is looking really good. Really good. Danny's leaning right into it.
Go on, Phoebe!
Go on, Beats! Speed versus Danny over here.
Red boat's coming up for second. Red boat's coming up for second.
Come on, Red Boat! This is looking great for the blue boat.
On the sound of the horn will finish the race. There'll be 3 horns, first, second and third.
Red coming in second, come on! We got Danny and Peter on third and fourth. That was a really good race, man. How was that?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, really good. That was a good comeback, Red Boat. Really good finish.
Well done, everyone!
Right, before the presentation, we've got James and we've got Joe here, who's in the winning boat.
Yes.
Quick little interview, James.
Absolute legend.
Yeah.
How did it go, Joe?
It was good fun. Really tiring, but
Yeah.
we had a
looking
good start.
You were looking really good out there.
Yeah,
Joe.
no, we had a strong start, and then we just kept the pace up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the yellow boat was catching
You held off the
us.
yellow.
Yeah, which we're quite surprised by because they've got a good team on that one.
Proud.
But
Fantastic.
it should be exciting to see.
Well done and enjoy the moment when you
Thank
get this
you.
trophy,
Yes,
okay?
thank you.
Here we go.
Right, everyone. Thanks for that. That looked really, really good from the boat. A lot of fun. So, third place, Danny's crew, in the yellow boat, GRP crew, well done. Second place, Luke's crew and the Fit Out Boys in red.
Yeah!
I believe. And first place, and the champions of the first annual Ribeye Peta Cup is Phoebe's crew, completes the blue boat. Well done.
Hey, get on the podium, on the podium.
Guys, here's your prize.
There's the prizes. Right, you lift the trophy. 3, 2, 1. Yay!